Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay, and this is Swami Vijay speaking to you all. In this video I am going to show you how to enter into G Suite account as a student. But before I start the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that you can receive latest updates and information the moment I upload videos on YouTube. And like, share and comment on this video. So first what you have to do is, you have to open the WhatsApp in which you have received the Google Classroom link or G Suite link sent by your subject teacher. So here is the link for class 8 section B. So let me tap on that link. So once you tap on that link, it will take you into classroom.google.com. Here you can see class not found because the login of the student is not from class 8, he is from class 11. So what you have to do is, you have to change this. If you have not logged in already, then you can directly log in, but if you are using this account already by another, then you have to use another account. So select use another account. The user ID and password given to you by school or your subject teacher. So this is wrong email ID because this is the email ID of a personal account, Gmail account. You have to enter the user ID given to you by school account. So let me select that. So enter the user ID provided to you and ending with at elearnkvs.roblr.in and then select next. If you have entered the correct user ID and password provided to you by your class teacher or subject teacher, you would definitely enter. Here it is not entered properly, there is one more digit is there. So let me delete that one. So you have to enter exactly the user ID provided to you by the school admin. So let me again change. So you have to be very careful while entering this information. I know that many of you are having a lot of trouble to log into this, but if you keep on trying, then you will definitely log into Google Suite. So here you can see I have entered the correct user ID of the student. Now I have to enter the right password given to the student. So whatever the password supplied to you by your subject teacher, you have to enter exactly that password, otherwise it will not allow you to enter into the G Suite account. So here I have entered the password and you can see here the student has successfully logged into the G Suite account. Let me tell you, you should not download any kind of app to enter into the G Suite account of your school. Now here you can see the class name 1046 8th section B, and the name of the class is, or subject of the class is English, and the name of the subject teacher is also there, and the date and timing of the class is also there. So in this way students can log into the G Suite account provided by your school and using school user ID and password. Under classwork you can check information if your subject teacher has already posted, and under people you can see how many students already joined into the class. And coming back to the stream, here you can see Meet link. Your subject teacher has already generated the Meet link from his login. Now what you have to do to attend the online class, you have to gently tap on this link. So once you tap on that link, it will take you into Google Meet. That means you did not to even download the Google Meet app again. It will prompt you. In case if it asks to download Google Meet, then download Google Meet. Otherwise not necessary. Now why the student can't log into the classroom? The reason is the class is scheduled at a different date at a different time. So this is one of the methods to log into the classroom. Now I am going to show you another method with student can log into the classroom, or one student logged into the classroom, how to join into another class. So let me select here. Now student has joined into only one classes. one subject class. Now here you can see on the right side of the screen one plus symbol. If the students want to join into any other class, then the student has to tap this plus symbol. So once the student tap the plus symbol, here you can see you are currently signed in as Yashoda Nanda 8th B 2020, and the class code it is asking. Ask your teacher for the class code, then enter it. That means if you want to enter into another subject class, then you have to enter the class code provided by your subject teacher. So once you enter that, automatically you will join into that particular class. So these are the two methods. You either first method or second method you can follow. You can directly tap the link given in the WhatsApp and you can join into the Google Classroom, or you can create or join class and under class code enter the class code supplied to you by your subject teacher. So in this way you can easily join into the Google Suite or Google Classroom in your school Google Suite or G Suite. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you can receive latest updates of the information the moment I upload videos on YouTube. And always remember, stay home, stay safe and stay strong. Take care. Thanks for watching this video. If you have come to the end of this video, I believe that you are interested to watch a few more videos related to the topic. So now you can check this out video or watch this one. Click this video, it will take you into another video.